Get under there. You get on the tarp. You want to sit down? Okay. Okay, buddy. So what I'm going to show you today is a look at putting line locks on my tarp. I appreciate you watching another episode as the crow flies hiking. What I've done today is essentially take Dyneema cord that I got from Lite Outdoors with a buckle system, which is a line lock 3 fastener, and I have attached them to all the attachment points for my tarp, and this is a quick look at that. Thanks for watching. So what I'm doing today on my tarp is I'm attaching these line locks from Lite Outdoors. They're a nice little set that comes with the line, this Dyneema line. And essentially I'm going to just doing a bow line on the D-ring and then attaching the line locks to it with about 6 to 7 feet of line that comes down to another bow line. So I can just attach this bow line to my stake and then come back and come back to the line lock and make it cinched as tight as I want to. Now they do make some another company, I think Yama Mountain Outdoors or Yama Mountain, makes some just like this, except that they have little clips that clip into the D-ring with the line locks already attached. I didn't see those until after I got these, but this Lite Outdoor set is really nice. It's a good quality piece of plastic, and it has a tensioner there, so it's not going anywhere once you tighten it up, and it just makes it a lot easier than me doing a bunch of knots that I have to with the on the D-ring with the line. Anyway, just something to think about. You may have a better way of doing it, but that's kind of what I came up with. So what you see is the finished product. What I've done is I have put line locks on my tarp. I had some older Dyneema cord. It was looking a little rough. So I replaced it all with line locks and new Dyneema cord that I got from Lite Outdoors, including these line locks. And so I've just found that these line locks are going to be a lot quicker setting my tarp up. So I've just gone ahead and replaced even the doors. I've replaced them with line locks. It may add a little weight, but just for the ease of setup and the quickness of setup, I think it's going to make things a lot quicker when I get to camp. And so essentially I have cut a small loop here, put on the line locks. These line locks don't come with an attachment to snap onto the D-ring, so I had to create a bow line there and then cinch a knot so that it won't come out, and then tie a bow line at the bottom to keep these line locks. And these have a little buckle inside them that keeps the tension in the line taut the whole time. And I've done that all around. And then I have my continuous ridge line on top, which I think will make this for a very easy setup, a lot quicker than I'm used to with my tarp setup. All right, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching As the Crow Flies Hiking and this look at the setup of line locks for my tarp. Thanks.